Today, we will be going over how to install F2022 for the front tie downs on your Ford. To start, you'll need to loosen the leaf spring hanger nuts on each side, and you'll want to tap them with the mallet outwards away from the middle of the truck. On the passenger side, remove the exhaust hanger bracket, leaving the clip-on nuts in place. Assemble the hardware using the provided bolt fisher and hardware through the hole up top to the circular hole toward the front of the frame. Leaving the bolt fisher on, slide the tie down onto the mounting hardware and in between the gap of the leaf spring hanger nut. Then, assemble your hardware onto the bolt. Using the smaller hardware, assemble them in the smaller holes up top on the vertical gusset and the receiver. Tighten your leaf spring hanger nut and torque your hardware down to the proper specs. Using the same initial hole from earlier, fish the bolts through again, but you'll want to feed to the hole on the inner portion of the frame. This will provide a mounting point for your support strap, which will assemble to the frame and the receiver at the same time. Then, reinstall the exhaust hanger bracket over the support strap using the factory hardware. Moving to the driver's side, you will be using the same method for fishing the hardware through the frame as you did on the passenger side. You will want to remove the wiring and e-brake bracket in order to install this side a little bit easier. You may need to remove this plate component as well. We recommend to leave your bolt fisher on in case they fall back inside the frame. Once you get your receiver on the frame, you'll want to take the fishers off and put on the appropriate hardware. Once again, you'll want to install the upper hardware and then reinstall the e-brake bracket in the same location as it was before. When you're ready to put your camper on, slide the inserts into the receiver and secure them with the provided bail pin.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.